आज सबसे खूबसूरत बात यह है कि हम तीनों के अलावा और कोई जानता नहीं है आप लोग यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं, है ना? खूबसूरत बात है. परसों दिवाली हो गई, or was it yesterday? है ना? You celebrated Diwali here as well. So this was a very interesting thing. By the way, happy Dhanteras. And we thought we'd make a nice beginning to today. And when we talk about beginnings, these two gentlemen on my left have had the most fruitful beginnings many, many years ago. And going by the advance booking, I hear that the beginnings of Prem Ratan Dhan Pai also going to be fantastic. But as far as this beginning is concerned, Surajji, I'd like you to elaborate a little bit so that our eminent personalities here understand why they've all gathered here today. Because everyone asked me this question, सर ये candid conversation का मतलब क्या है? मतलब आपस में बात होगी या हम लोग बात कर पाएंगे कि नहीं? ये सवाल आया है.
Honestly, this is the biggest promotional event that can happen for us, for any of our movies. You'll soon see why, but 27 years back we started our journey, and Rashtriya Productions was giving me my break, and we were going through a low phase. Everything was being put into this film, and my father told me, write a love story. I wrote in English. He told me translate. I translated Hindi. We got a script, and everyone felt we should be a new boy, new girl. So that's when one new boy was called, and lot more has to come. But when he first came, I remember outside at the reception he's sitting, and that time heroes were big, broad, tall, and he looked very small, very small. And I was thinking, oh, here he is, and Salim Saab's son, and big. And then he came, he sat in front of me, but his photographs he showed me. I think Moniji shot the photos. And he showed me the photographs, and the photographs said something different. Even then, I wish I had those photographs to show today. That photograph, those eyes, that jawline. And you see the photograph, you see him, and it was just world apart. Those photographs were magic.
Thank you, Suraj.
And then we decided we'll hold a test. We'll do a screen test for him. And what we have here is a few glimpses of his first screen test of Prem, which we would all like to share because that is our golden moment. And for me, these things are very dear. For 27 years, I did not allow anyone to touch it. And we brought those glimpses in its original form. I've not allowed them to online it, nothing, just basic restoration. It's his voice. It's our voice. It's our journey. So, Salam, if you want to say something.
He's still paranoid about showing it.
Today morning, just now I asked him here on stage, do we really need to show it?
So I said, no, we need to expose me. कि अगर ये बन सकता है तो हिंदुस्तान का हर बच्चा प्रेम बन सकता है.
And this was shot, his first test was shot 1 week before his birthday on December 87. I think 21st, we'll come to know when. So Salil, if you want to show that.
So as Sir mentioned, we're going back to the audition. This was not considered
rejected.
Acceptable.
This was rejected because that dialogue. Because that dialogue was also a little poetic. I wrote about.
No, and Q, and he has told me to say it like that.
Yeah, but not like Q. So he went on, and there was no voice, there was no throw. So this was more or less, okay, he looked nice, but more or less. But there was another reason why it was rejected. And that was because my first film, and it was supposed to be New Boy, New Girl, and he was already doing one film, Bivi Ho To Aise, and that too a side role. So to bring him into this film, especially after this dialogue, and to make him a hero, and to launch a new pair was a big, big question mark. So for 4-5 months, हम इन्हें टालते रहे.
Sir, one sec, I want to stop you there. Salman sir, what were you feeling after you'd given this audition? Were you feeling confident?
I thought sure shot done. अब राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, I didn't know. And then when that 4 months happened, then I realized कि यहाँ पर तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. So I went to this. Started meeting people again. So there was this one film that was being made by Mr. Suresh Bhagat, who was this same BB Hota Aisi. He was a producer of Mr. K.C. Bukadia's film. So Mr. K.C. Bukadia's production manager, Mr. J.K. Bihari, was making this film. It was a Pakistani remake with Rekha ji, Farooq Sheikh, Kader Khan, Bindu ji. It was like a very big cast at that point in time. So I remember walking into some place in Khar. There was a garage. And Bihari Sahab just told me a few days ago, months ago, कि यार कोई करने को तैयार ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे अगला जो भी इस यहाँ से आएगा ना इस रोल के लिए कोई भी हो मैं उस इडियट को ले लूँगा. This about 4-5 months ago he told me. जैसे आपकी कास्टिंग अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि आपकी कास्टिंग के हमको आपकी पर्सनालिटी पसंद आई हो या कुछ टैलेंट देखा हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. हर एक ने इस रोल को रिफ्यूज़ किया. आप आए, हमने आपसे पूछा, हम परेशान हो गए थे, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा था ये रोल. आपने किया, हमने आपको साइन कर लिया.
And that was the story, and so
That was-
history was allowed to be made also after that. Then,
And he was doing this film, and we didn't like this test, especially that "Kyun" dialogue. So,
अच्छा, how many retakes sir did you? You must have tried to say name क्यों?
This
क्यों?
is-
10-12
this is
होते रहे.
10-12 हज़ार.
हाँ. क्यों कैसे? So then 5-6 months हम लोग रोकते रहे. But the most surprising thing was he kept sending boys after boys. इसको ले लो. कोई अपने ही सर पे कुल्हाड़ी तो मारते पर ये मार रहे हैं. इसको मेरे से better. And this went on. Finally, I went to Satish Bala, where he was shooting for BB Hota Aisi, कि my production Zaki साहब was there. I said कि जाके बोलें तो सही इन्हें कि नहीं कैंसिल, कोई बोले तो सही. तो गए अंदर and he was shooting with रेखा जी. तो आते ही गले मिल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला कैंसिल ओके, इनको ले लो. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद भी कोई बोले इनको ले लो, हम बाहर आए. And we said अगर हीरो बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. So what got him the film, Salman bhai, what got us Maine Pyar Kiya together is not the actor, it is the man. It is the man in the word Salman. Thank you, Kiran ji, for this thought. And even now, it is the man who wins. It is not the actor. And now we can show the second test हुआ हमारा जिसमें हमने बाल कटाए. कहाँ पे Salman bhai?
So we went to this one beauty salon called what's it called?
हाँ, बंद भी हो गई होगी.
Beauty Star. Beauty Star.
बैंड्रा में ही था.
बैंड्रा में ही था. हाँ, वो zigzag रोड के नीचे. तो वहाँ पर एक हमारे बाल काटा करता था, उसका नाम सिकंदर है. अभी उसकी नौकरी लग गई है आलिम के यहाँ पर. वो ब्यूटी स्टार बंद हो गया है. सो वी वेंट देयर. उसने आई थिंक 15 रुपये लिए बाल काटने के लिए. वैसे 5 रुपये लेता था. उस वक्त देखा कि ये हीरो बनने वाला है तो पहले निपटा उसे.
एंड मैं ऐसे खड़ा था, कहीं ज़्यादा कट जाए कम कट जाए क्या भरोसा, कट गए तो फिर आएंगे नहीं.
I am surprised he didn't open a series of नाई की दुकान after that. सलमान भाई का हेयर कट मैंने करवाया था और अभी देखो तो बड़े स्टार
उसके बाद बहुत माइलेज खाया, बहुत फुटेज खाया. अब जब भी मैं जाता था उसके पास तो ये संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल कर. अरे मैं सलमान खान हूं, मैं संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल क्यों करूंगा यार. इसे नहीं बाबा, तुम संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल. So for the first 3-4 years, it was only Sanjay Dutt hairstyle that I was supporting. Yeah, Sanjay Dutt बाल लंबा तो आप बाल लंबा करो संजय दत्त की तरह. संजय दत्त स्पाइक कर लिया तो आप काट लो संजय दत्त की तरह. Eventually, I had to stop going to him. Then I started going to Roxanne.
तो सूरज जी and Salman sir, after this, did you tell him,
Yeah.
or was it again a waiting period?
No, this was done. We knew that this is the hero. But there is one girl.
No, after that happened, na, they've confirmed me. So now, BB Hota Aisi was complete. So they asked me to see the film, BB Hota Aisi. I went and saw the film. I said, the film is good, but I suck. It's like, I'm like terrible in it. Me and Arbaz saw it, and Arbaz was like, I was like, ye kya ho gaya? They dubbed my voice as somebody else, jo bhi hua. So I came out of the theater. From Dimple only I called you up. I said, I just saw BB Hota Aisi. And he said, huh? So I said, I'm terrible in the film. So he said, then what's the problem? It will not do well. Nobody said, no, the problem is the film is a good film. it will do well. And the more people see it, the more they will say कि इसको काय को ले लिए, तो बहुत गंदा है, no one is going to come and see मैंने प्यार किया. I said, I am going out now, I'll come join you as an assistant. So he said, no, but how bad can it be? So I said, come, I'll show you. So then I asked J.K. Bihari साहब, ऐसे वो उन्होंने साइन किया, it's not fair. मैं तो आपको पता है मेरी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है इस फिल्म में, कि मैंने कितना खराब काम किया, तो it's not fair that they will have to suffer me. So then he allowed me to keep a trial. They kept a trial in Dimple only. Suraj Babu came in, saw the film, and he comes out of the theatre and he says, Salman, why are your eyes looking so big? So I said, eyes को तो मैं छोटे कर लूँगा दादा, ये picture आ गई अंदर. So throughout मैंने प्यार किया हमने that. दिख भी नहीं रहा था. It's no, open your eyes, open your eyes.
But there is one girl who we owe our relation to Salman Khan, to Maine Pyar Kyun. We were testing a lot of girls much before. We started testing much before girls, boys and all that. So there was one girl who came, who tested. Her name was Shabana Dutt. Her name is Shabana Dutt. And I remember after doing the test, of course her test was not correct. She told me that there is who hero. I said, we are hunting for boys. Can you suggest? She said, एक लड़का है सलमान खान, जिसके साथ मैंने एक ऐड किया, I think चप्पल का कोई ऐड था. And why don't you? I said, please give the number, कोई भी हो अभी ढूंढ रहे. तो he says, सलीम साहब के son. So we were, me, my father, all of us, सलीम साहब के son कहाँ करेंगे? No, but a very nice guy. You used to just call him, he'll come like that and take a test. So that is when
चप्पल का ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं और सलीम साहब के सन को पता है कि काम की कितनी जरूरत है. 7.5 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं. They are thinking in the राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के how will he do it?
So that's when we contacted Honey Uncle, जो सलीम साहब के साथ काम करते थे, to ask him. And that's how, of course, there were 2 other people who had helped us. So 3 people were एक time पे recommended. I have tried at my level. He's trying at his level to contact her. If someone can contact her, please, we owe him just a little glimpse of who she was, because we owe him to her.
I think it was Lakhani Chappal at that point of time, and Kailash Surendranath was shooting the film. Sangeeta was with me, and I think when I asked Kailash, okay, who's this girl? He said, I think she was from the agency. So she was from the agency, then I didn't know what she was doing in Suraj Babu's office, auditioning for Bhagyashri's role. But sabko ek hota hai ke, and the fact that she went there and she suggested my name. And then also there's this writer of theirs who was writing for Rashtriya at that time, Mr. Kamar Naqvi. So I went to Lucky Hotel for a narration. Somebody else only was, they used to have all these writers and directors, sitting there at the Lucky restaurant here in Bandra. तो मैं चला गया, तो वो वहाँ पर बैठे थे वहाँ पर. तो there was another director narrating a script to me. Really bad one. तो I had to say no to him. तो तुमको समझ क्या है, तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो ये? तो I think Kamar Naqvi at that point in time understood कि ये समझदार बच्चा है. Because even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki saab ke, I just met this boy, he's Salim saab's son. तो 2-3 जगह से people started recommending my name. And before I think you had already finalized Deepak Tijori and Kunal Goswami.
Lots of them.
Yeah. So these 2 names were in the running.
What about the success party and all? Didn't you all meet everybody after that? After it became such a super hit film, sir, didn't you have a big party where everybody came across?
कुछ नहीं सब, पर उसके पहले अभी तो बहुत रास्ते थे.
अच्छा.
First was to find the girl.
Yeah.
Oh, so since then, no contact at all, and she also never contacted you after that. Nothing.
No, there's no.
Wow.
I got her number, but the phone didn't. I mean,
Oh, actually, an angel.
It rang, and then it was like.
But
just
then
no
after
one picked up
this
the
was
phone.
a journey to find the heroine.
Yes.
And then we kept lot of girls. One incident I'd like to share. I'll tell.
Yeah, tell.
Both of us, we had liked a girl, I think at Roshan Taneja ji's acting school. So we saw and we said, this is the girl. Today she's there, she's a mother, and we...
What was her name?
No, no. It's okay. Abhi. So then.
Shine.
No, no.
When you came? I was here at 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एक दिन. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall